I have 3 threads. I tie a knot like this, and then I actually put it in the pin like this. Tie the knot, close the pin. Now the pin can be connected to something so that it doesn't move, and then you can start to tie the knots. So I separate the 3 pieces, and I start with one. I'm going to start with the orange one. So I tie a knot with the orange one. I make a loop around my thumb, and then I pull the loop, the middle thread through. Oop, I'm pulling some tails in too, like that. There we go. And then I keep the orange loop around the outside, and I keep this part straight. So when I tie the knot, it's orange, and I do 2 orange on the brown. Brown is my second color. And then I do 2 orange on the pink. Pink is my third color. And now, I don't know if you can see, but now there's orange. Orange is first. So now brown is second. They're a little bit twisted, but I separate brown. Brown is second, so I tie 2 knots around brown. 1. It goes around the pink, so brown is on the outside. So I want to make brown, I keep the pink straight, and I make the brown loop all the way up to the top next to the orange. And I do that 2 times. And then I move on to the orange one and do the same thing on the first color again. Oops, I dropped it. I gotta get it back. So then I hold the orange and make the brown loop around it 1 time. 2 times. And now I have 2 of my colors done. Orange and brown. Now I need to do the pink. So the pink is the last one. I do hold the orange, make a pink loop, 1, 2, and then I do the same thing here, 1. Oops, I dropped it again. That happens. Okay. 1 and 2. Now I've done all 3 colors, and you can see all 3 colors here. I have first orange here, and then I have brown, and then I have pink. 1, 2, 3. They each make a little stripe, and now they're separated. So it's very easy to see orange, then brown, then pink.